What's up everyone, it's DA here. Hope you guys are doing great, hope you are doing fantastic. Today I have some amazing Ubisoft and Division content news. To avoid releasing constant sequels and to make more money every single year, Ubisoft has now decided that they would rather focus on more AAA quality free-to-play versions of a lot of their games instead of just releasing those sequels every single time. So instead of releasing Division 3 right now, they would rather release Division Heartland and maybe Division 3 5 years down the line. This is a decision from Ubisoft's finance officer, who claims that this is a purely financial communication evolution issue and we should still expect AAA quality from these free-to-play games. So just because they're going to be free-to-play doesn't mean they're going to be garbage. It doesn't mean the textures and the models are going to look bad. It just means it's a free-to-play entry point, but you will still get that AAA premium quality. So a lot of the Ubisoft franchise games will begin to see the introduction of free-to-play versions for them. So if you're waiting for a sequel, more than likely you're going to get a free-to-play version, and that free-to-play version might be enough to fund a sequel later on. Financially, this is a more constant revenue instead of the one and done situation like I mentioned earlier. It allows them to create PvP or PvE modes and content for every game without having to spend 4 to 5 years on constant development and hoping that the game sells well in the end. This way, they can spend 2 years or 1 year on creating a game, then they can add bite-sized content over time in the form of seasons or events, and that would carry the game and carry the gaming community for a long time. A lot of these free-to-play games out there make more money because there is no entry point, which means you don't have to spend $60, $30, or $40 to get into that game. Believe it or not, a lot of times people spend more money in free-to-play games than they do in buy-to-play games. That is why games like Warframe, Fortnite, Genshin Impact got really big and made a lot of money because there is no entry cost. And that is the beauty of a lot of these things. And this is also one of those things that you might start seeing with some of the mobile games that will be coming out from Ubisoft. And that is going to be biting a huge chunk of that gaming market as well. Anyways, that is going to be it for this right now. Division 2 is getting a DLC later on, at least sometime towards the end of the year. I don't know if it's going to be free or if it's going to be paid. However, before that, we should see the release of Division Heartland, which should occupy a lot of people until the Division 2 DLC comes out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this down below in the comment section. This is DA signing out. I'll see you in the next one.